Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about the smallest monkey in the world, named as pygmy marmoset. Out of the smallest animals in world, this one could be the most adorable. The pygmy marmoset is also known as finger monkey because of its extremely small size. It often found in rainforests of Colombia, Brazil, Ecuador, Bolivia and Peru. It only weighs about 15 grams at birth and it doesn't grow much after that. On average this monkey grows to be 5.5 inches, not counting its tail. The finger monkey is both tiny and adorable in world.